Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can create a 2D pocketing machining operation in MasterCAM, okay?
Hey everyone, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Savvy Engineer community, okay? And now, let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to go to the machine, then mill, then default. You click on this plus sign, then we're gonna go to plans to create a new plan. You click on this plus sign. From solid face, you select the top face, then you click on OK. Then you click on OK again. T here and C here. Come back to toolpaths. You select the piece, then you go to wireframe, then you click on curve all edges, then you click on OK. Now right click here, mill toolpaths, then you go and click on pocket. You select the C plan option, you select this wireframe, reverse the direction, then you click on OK. Now you go to the tool, we're gonna select a tool for the pocketing machining operation. You click here, you go to filter, you select the equal option, then we're gonna add here 8mm, and we're gonna choose the first option and mill. Then click on OK, you select the 8mm tool, great. Now we're gonna go to the holder, we're gonna select the second option, we go to cut parameters, we change the value of the stock to live on walls from 1 to 0, then also we change the value of the stock to live on floors to 0. Okay, we go to the routing operation. Okay, first we're gonna change this value from 2 to 0, then we're gonna go to the parallel spiral option. Now we're gonna go to the finishing operation. In this case I'm not gonna use a finishing operation, I'm gonna uncheck this option. Then I'm gonna go to the depth cuts, I'm gonna select the depth cuts, I'm gonna add here 5mm as a maximum route step. Then for the finish I'm gonna add here 0, I'm not gonna use a finish step. Okay, for the linking parameters I'm gonna change the incremental to absolute for the retract, for the feed plan, and for the depth. Okay, for the depth I'm gonna select this point, and for the top of the stock I'm gonna select this point. Okay, so -25 and the step is 5mm. This means we're gonna have 5 steps. First, I need to check something. I need to click on plans. Here, I need to select the plan just created, also for the tool plan and also for the construction plan. Okay, then I'm gonna click on OK. If I click on the tool path, then click on play, you're gonna see the first step. Now the second step. Okay, you're gonna see every single step, the fourth step and the last step. Okay, so 5 steps, each step is 5mm and the total depth is 25. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Savvy Engineer business channel. By the way, you can download this piece and this machining program using the link mentioned in the description box below. Okay,